Welcome to our channel. If your carrier is shutting down older networks, follow these step-by-step instructions to prepare for technology transitions. Step 1. Check if your phone supports the networks your carrier will use going forward. Verify your device is compatible with 4G LTE and 5G networks that are replacing older 3G service. Step 2. Review notifications from your carrier about network shutdown timelines. Carriers announce sunset dates for old networks months in advance and may offer free phone replacements. Step 3. Test your phone's compatibility by dialing special codes provided by carriers. Some carriers offer automated systems that check if your device will work after network changes. Step 4. Upgrade your phone if it doesn't support current network technology. Take advantage of carrier trade-in programs or promotions specifically for customers affected by network changes. Step 5. Update your phone's software to the latest available version. Software updates often include carrier settings and network configurations needed for new technology. Step 6. Contact your carrier to ensure your account has the correct features enabled. VoLTE and other advanced features must be provisioned for your line to work on modern networks. Step 7. Backup your data before making any phone or SIM card changes. Transitions sometimes require new SIM cards or phone replacements that could affect your stored information. Step 8. Test all phone functions after any changes, including calls, texts, and data. Verify everything works properly rather than discovering problems during emergencies or important calls. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.